All right, everybody, here's part two. What we're going to do here is we're going to be right over there. It's going to be the two-bedroom guest house, and right over to this white pipe there is going to be the porch for this house. So they're trying to level it now with this pad here. What we're going to do is we're going to cut this down lower so we can make it all nice and even, because we're going to need this much more property for the entire house. This is going to be from that white stick there. You'll see that's going to be the patio here. So from this stick, so imagine all of that from here. There's a stick, and there is that, all the way to that fence. It's going to be a property. It's going to be for the house. So there's a house, a garage right next to it, and then there's like my shop back there. So that's what we're doing. And then here, way over there in the back, you see that area he's working on is going to be that other residence. And so this will probably be a pool area right here. And that's it. But like I said, the driveway comes through here and it goes this way around the back. And so that's what we got. Okay, guys. And our soil here is Class C type soil, which is very, very good for compaction and everything. And so they have to spread it out like that, put water to it, and then compact it with a compactor. So the guy breaking the concrete over there, he'll be on the compactor. So the neighbor's really nice, cool. In the back, we're gonna put probably retaining walls so it holds all the dirt back. Like I said, I want to thank you guys for subscribing. I'll keep making videos. Look how beautiful today is. I'll keep making videos of this here as the construction will go. And hopefully this helps you guys. I want to put some information here. It really, honestly, it's been since last March that I've been getting plans together and designing the place and stuff like that. It took a little longer because I got separate, an architect and a separate engineer. Had I went to the same source, I would have spent the same amount of money, but less time waiting for them to communicate between themselves. So if you're interested in building a house, doing something from scratch, you have your own property, the best thing, one of the things I found is to go ahead and do that and hire the same people, like to do your engineering and your architectural. And so anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep making videos relevant to this. And hopefully like and subscribe, hit the bell button. Let me know what you think. Leave questions below. All right? Thank you and have a wonderful day, and God bless.